Today I will show you how to create text behind object effect like this using Filmora. First, bring your video footage to the timeline and add a title on the top of the video footage. Here I want to move the title behind the Eiffel Tower. So lock the first layer and place the text here like this. Now double click on the title and go to the advanced menu. Type your text. I will type tutorials. Change the text color. I will take text color red and the text border is black. Now add right roll text animation here. Click OK. Now place the same video footage top of the text layer. Click on it. Now go to Effect. Click Utility. Add this image mask effect to the third layer. Here the main idea is to mask some portion of the third layer and play the text animation between the two same footage. To do that, next double click on the third layer. Go to Video Effect under the Video tab. Here in the preset mask, under the image mask, choose this triangle mask by double click on it. Now hide the first and second layer. Now adjust the mask by using width, height, X and Y like this. You can do it according to your need. Now click OK. Unhide the first and second layer. Now this is your final result. Now here is the second effect. To do that, first take an image of high-rise building like this. Place it to the timeline. This method is quite similar to the previous one. Like before, add a title here. Take a default title. Double click on it. Click Advanced. Change your text. I will take impact font here and text size is 105. Place the font in the middle of the building like this. Go to the Animation tab. Scroll down here and click Right Roll Animation and click OK. Now bring the same image to the third layer. Click Effect tab and click Utility. Now add the image mask effect to the third layer. Double click on it. Hide the first and second layer to adjust the mask properly. Now double click on the third layer. Go to the video effect under the image tab. Here change the preset mask to this one. Click on it. Here in the mask adjustment area, X and Y, change the placement of the mask. And width and height, change the mask shape. Adjust your mask according to your need. Click OK. Now unhide the first and second layer. But I need here to text go faster. So to do that, right click on the text, click duration, change it to 3 and click OK. Play it. You are done. Now the third text behind object effect, it is little different. I have a video here. I place the video on the timeline and detach the audio first and cut the footage here for better effect. This will be fine. I need a high contrast video footage. To do that, double click on the footage and adjust the contrast, brightness and saturation under the color tab. This is better here, but here I think that bike needs to go faster, and to do that I simply right click on it, click speed and duration and double the speed and click OK. Now our footage is ready for behind the text animation. Now our next step is to add a title. To do that, click title, choose any default title, double click on it, click advanced. I took impact font here. Change the text to Filmora and the font size is 150. Place the font like this. Here I don't take any text animation, so click no animation and click OK. Now double click on the second layer. Under the video tab, click compositing and change the blending mode to overlay. Click OK. This is your final result. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button and subscribe the channel to get more tutorials like this.